Chief Minister Ukhrul Singh bans by Ukhrul Naga Long precedent in Ukhrul. Chief Minister not allowed to inaugurate projects in the district. Manipur police cracks down on an SANIM post-Ukhrul attack on Chief Minister. 2 active and 4 overground workers of an SANIM arrested from valley areas. Chief Minister Ukhrul Singh blames BJP Manipur Pradesh of foul play, asked not to mislead the public to secure votes. Classic Hospitality Training Institute organizes Kaushal Mela at Classic Grande. 180 youths to be provided 3 months free training. And the 9th Regional Saras Fair 2016 kicks off today at Stadium Ground. About 214 stalls opened at the fair. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News. I'm Laitama Monica bringing you the top stories. Chief Minister Ukhrul Singh has been banned by the Tangkhul Naga Long from entering Ukhrul district and from inaugurating projects in the district. Tangkhul Naga Long has put the ban accusing the government that the construction of the district hospital is incomplete and the hospital lacks proper infrastructure. Speaking to the media persons, President of Tangkhul Naga Long, Zimik, said even if all the required infrastructure are provided, Chief Minister Ukhrul Singh will not be allowed to enter Ukhrul again. Zimik cautioned that even if all the projects are completed, Chief Minister will not be allowed to inaugurate, although it can be inaugurated by other officials. It is learned that Zimik and his team inspected the condition of Ukhrul District Hospital and found lack of infrastructures. They claim that they found beds and other machines which were not earlier installed on the day of Chief Minister's visit to Ukhrul on October 24. Social United Development Organization SUDO in a press release has strongly condemned the attack on Chief Minister Ukhrul Singh in Ukhrul on the 24th of this month. Thongju MLA TH Bisojit asked the government to make public the details of the Ukhrul incident. Speaking at the one-day political conference organized by BJP Wangkai Mandal at New Chakon Youth Club today, he said the incident has created tension among the hill and valley people. A rally was also taken out from the residence of BJP aspiring candidate Y. Irabot at Kurai Ahongai to New Chakon Youth Club.
Civil society against
In the latest crackdown on NSANIM post-Ukhrul attack on Chief Minister on October 24, State Police today apprehended 2 active cadres and over 4 overgroup NSANIM cadres were also apprehended today from different parts of the valley. The 2 active cadres were apprehended by a team of Taboure Commando led by Additional SP Operation and Madhu Nimai from Palel Bazar. 19mm pistol, 4 bullets and a mobile phone were seized from them. The 4 overground cadres were apprehended by a team of Imphal East Commando from Fairyland, Nagaram. They are involved in extortion of money. They were also handed over to Lamphel police station for further investigation. The arrest comes after an NSANIM cadre was apprehended yesterday at Singjamai. Ziribam BJP Mandal Committee is boycotting visit of Chief Minister and local MLA Thogdam Devendro, who are scheduled to inaugurate newly constructed supermarket and 50-bedded hospital in Ziribam on October 30. BJP Mandal President P. Rakeshwar Singh during the inauguration function of the Bong BJP Mandal office says Ziribam BJP Mandal Committee is boycotting the visit following poor infrastructure at the newly built hospital. Newly joined members of the Mandal were also felicitated at the event. Chief Minister Okrami Singh today maintained that poor people need not spend more money by going outside for treatment as all the required infrastructure are available at Jenims. Speaking in connection with the tree sapling plantation in front of Jenims administrative block of Jenims today, he said efforts are also on to install extra infrastructure at Jenims so that no patients from the state are referred to hospital in other states. The tree sapling plantation was taken up under the aegis of Jenims Authority in an effort to avail clean air and surrounding in the hospital.
Koi sida facility leibang khaidi private hospital da refer tawba khotpasi tawbiganu mana ayambana private ta kaida chatpa ngamba thuna layengba pamba khopudi ayambana adum moi adum chatnagi baneba adu lairaba patient sing haitare masida facility leitaba upai leitaba dudi aikoina loina ba darka leiba 100% sida loina ba facilities mayam sing di provide tawdi matam khra changadamnina sida leibang khaidi refer tawbiganu na na koi hospital authority da haibutare.
Classic Hospitality Training Institute has taken up the initiative of providing free skill training for youth under the Pradhan Mantri Kaushal Vikas Yojana scheme. As part of the scheme, Kaushal Mela under PMKVY began at Classic Grande today. Speaking on the occasion, Center Head of the Institute KH Ranjita said under the scheme, 180 youths will be given training for 3 months in housekeeping. Trainees will avail job opportunities in Manipur and other states. She said under the initiative of the institute, the problem of unemployment in Manipur can be reduced to some extent. Efforts are also on to provide training free of cost in other departments in the near future.
Akhoi center sina hospitality sector gi oinadi akhoi Classic Hospitality Training Institute si khaktang ne akhoi certified oirize hoju ki si scheme si makhada aduna to begin with we will be starting with the housekeeping department which is a 3 months training absolutely free of cost. After completion of the course akhoi na placement moi the assess to birakani akhoi hoji ki center se akhoi no jik tawriba training mayam sing sida housekeeping day horaga jo akhoi khar leiraga amuka akhoi other departments hapa ani like food and beverage service department gumba then housekeeping department gumba suma department mayam se akhoi mathang mathang hapa ani.
An awareness program on schemes and initiatives of Ministry of Textiles, Government of India for the development of decentralized powerless sector and technical textiles in Northeast region was held today at Banthoibi Arcade in Wankai, Impal East. The awareness program was organized by Regional Office of the Textile Commissioner, Kolkata Ministry of Textiles, Government of India in association with the Indian Jute Industries Research Association Palum Service Center, Guwahati. Officials of Regional Office of the Textile Commissioner, Kolkata Ministry of Textiles, Government of India and other resource persons highlighted various schemes of Ministry of Textiles in Northeast, advantages and scope of producing fabrics on powerloom. Let's take a short break. We'll be back with more news updates.
Aigi thamoina achit ka thasaba thamjari Srimani Kumar Jewelers. Yumda sumlairaga khanbana di kanaroi engonda loina thengna khrabani wakhal do wagano lao aikoi kudingo phasarina rase miyam gi apamba design kudingo soidana phanglagani Srimani Kumar Jewelers.
Pengba ngaton pangbiragani ningol chakobugi mangoine na mapung mari faraba pengba amadi ngaton ningol chakobugi damak discount su pizari ngaton kg manga leibada kg ama free pengba kg tara leibada kg ama free da pizari akak naba matamni ngasi maklengsin biroktana order tobi ho phangpham S Tomba and Sons Pengba Farm Hyangthang Bazar.
Diwali amasung ningol chakobugi special discount pizari ITC Limited ki premium clothing brand Wills Lifestyle gi thangmaiban maisnam lekha opposite house ground leba store da Diwali amasung ningol chakobugi special discount pizari Nupa amasung nupi ki formal casual amadi evening party wear yauna makhal khuding makki fizol sing fangbigani ngasi maglengsin biraksi Wills Lifestyle store thangmaiban maisnam lekha opposite house ground.
Ngasi maglengsin biro Diwali kumhai amadi ningol chakobugi mangoinana Ningol singna set chabada pakcharagadaba pijet laiteng kaya Silaima Emporium singjamai chinga mangkha opposite oinam le ngasi maglengsin biro
The first urban cross hatchback, Datsun Ready Go with 800cc. Subnatagi lak aniga lising ni punipan piba car asigi features singdi ground clearance 185mm, boot space 222 liters, power steering, mileage 25.17 km per liter, immobilizer. Book to bihoro gari asi ngasi mag showroom da laktuna leire. Test drive kidamak lengsin birao Island Nissan. Near Standard Robert High Secondary School, Kanchipur, Imphal. Datsun Ready Go.
Welcome back. You're watching Primetime English News. The 9th Regional Saras Fair kicked off today at Didim Ground, Kwakaitel. The fair is organized by Manipur State Rural Livelihood Mission under the aegis of Rural Development and Panchayati Raj Department. Inaugurating the fair, R.K. Anand said the economy of the state could be improved by focusing on the production of indigenous products, while micro-business sectors need to be increased instead of focusing only on the big industries. About 240 stalls were opened at the Mela.
Manipur si maroy na handloom product lahi ba sigumba koigi tuan bahai da civil groups ki wa ngaks na tabada tuan locality the cluster ki lahi ba koigi handloom ji products mein am since we are very well known beyond the boundary of the state. Manipuri wangmada in national context and international context we are well known. Koi harness to bahai ga masi capitalize to changin kali.
Manipur Heart Foundation legal advisor advocate Ngangom Tej Kumar donated 10,000 rupees to a child heart patient from Taboure. The money was donated to Moirangtem Zenith, son of Moirangtem Nabachandra, to help him in his treatment. Manipur Heart Foundation President Dr. L. Shyamkishore appeals to those who want to avail the help to register their documents at Manipur Heart Foundation office at Sky Hospital. The second Foundation Day of Lifesavers Manipur LSM was held at Manipur Press Club today. LSM Managing Director said the function was held in order to give awareness among youth between the age group of 18 to 25 years to donate blood voluntarily. He said there are many health benefits for the blood donors. LSM has organized 25 blood donation camps and donated 1,350 units of blood at Shija hospitals, RIMS and Janims Hospital. Revenue and Forest Minister I. Hemochandra, Ayush Director Dr. K. Lokendro, LSM President Dr. Tingbaizam Bimol, Lions Club of Imphal Greater President and Samananda among others attended the function.
Manipur da laiba inkhala'iba jahi traimpan da kunmanga phawi manung stage akhoi voluntary blood donation gi matang da akhoi masigi moment se kangkhatna ba amadi I haibasi laiba su yadaba saba sungam daba miyobidagi natana di mateng lawba yadaba artificial oiba yadaba pot asi laibana akhoi life savers na masigi foundation day sida adugumba yan maru oi haibase message amtang mayam da thamjana bagi amta sinjaba adugumba program.
A meeting was held today in Laisangthem Muang Matava under Taboure constituency at the residence of Laisangthem Sami. The meeting unanimously resolved to support Laisangthem Suresh Singh as an intending BJP candidate from Taboure constituency. Manipur National Democratic Front MNDF has greeted the people of Manipur in connection with the upcoming Ningol Chakoba, Diwali and Kut festival. In its message, MNDF said, "Let the festival bring peace, happiness and oneness among all communities residing in the state." Ningol Chakoba was held at Imphal East District Police Headquarters today under the supervision of SP Imphal East Dr. A.K. Jaljit Singh. Ningols from various civil society organizations and Mera Paivis were present in the Ningol Chakoba. Gifts were also presented to the Ningols by the SP.
Ningol Chakoba se masi sumayam hena khangnaraba adumba sunna maitai khatai nataba community khudingmakta prithvi goina adum ningol ko bibaga gi nusi mari thamnaba adumba tradition amana oina sandokpa yaba lawsu mathang adum lawnaba horaba adumba ekhoi gi jati si yamna maru oiba ꯊꯧꯗꯣꯛ ꯑꯃꯅꯤ ꯈꯟꯖꯕꯒ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯅ ꯑꯩ ꯊꯧꯔꯝꯁꯤ ꯃꯁꯤꯅ ꯈ꯭ꯋꯥꯏꯗꯒꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯥꯏꯌꯣꯔꯤꯇꯤ ꯄꯤꯔꯒ ꯇꯧꯖꯕꯅꯤ.
6 days long exhibition cum grand sale for the upcoming Ningol Chakoba festival kicked off today near Uripok Cherak Court. The exhibition is being organized by Indo-Myanmar Border Traders Union, Imphal. Different fruits and other border trade items were displayed at the exhibition. Mahindra Earth Master Backhoe Loader, a Mahindra & Mahindra construction equipment, was launched today at the Kanglei Construction Machinery store in Sagolbantiara, Lukram Lerak Machin. Kanglei Construction Machinery Customer Care Manager Pronobandra Bora launched the vehicle, which is available in 2 models. Yumnam Anil Kumar, Managing Director of Kanglei Construction Machinery, informs that 50,000 rupees discount will be given in case booking is done before Ningol Chakoba. In sports, UNACCO Nambul Mapal and SSU Singjamai won their respective match of the 11th Manipur State League played at Mapal Kangjibung today. In the 55th league match, UNACCO Nambul Mapal defeated FC Zelen Sadar Hills 2-1. KH Modumango donated the winning goals in the 38th and in the 44th minute of the match for UNACCO Nambul Mapal, while in the 56th league match, SSU Singjamai trumps USA Korai 5-3. Sagolban United will play Trukpu Nambol, while Trau Kwakatil will play Nisa Thamaiban tomorrow. Before we end, a quick look at the headlines once again. Chief Minister Ukhrul Mebobe Singh banned by Ukhrul Naga Long precedent in Ukhrul. Chief Minister not allowed to inaugurate projects in the district. Manipur police cracks down on an SANIM post-Ukhrul attack on Chief Minister. 2 active and 4 overground workers of an SANIM arrested from valley areas. Chief Minister Ukhrul Mebobe Singh blames BJP Manipur Pradesh of foul play, asks not to mislead the public to secure votes. Classic Hospitality Training Institute organizes Social Mela at Classic Grande. 180 youths to be provided 3 months training. And the 9th Regional Cyrus Fair 2016 kicks off today at Dividend Ground. About 214 stalls open at the fair.